So the Elephant Nature Park here in Chiang Mai, northern Thailand, is an elephant rescue and rehabilitation centre where you can go to visit on day trips, volunteer long term and even stay overnight. This is meant to be one of, if not the most ethical elephant park here in Thailand, and originally the owner, whose name I'll put on screen now, had a passion for elephants from a young age after being gifted one by her grandfather. Eventually, after witnessing the mistreatment and suffering of many elephants in the tourism industry, she began providing medical aid to elephants in remote villages. In the 1990s, she started rescuing injured, neglected and elderly elephants and established Elephant Nature Park in northern Thailand in 2003 as a permanent homeland for them. So in this video I did an overnight stay at the park, which I highly rate, but there's a few clips throughout both days for you.
Doing? No, nothing. No, Grandma, we didn't have nothing. You want to say hi? Okay. Anyway, let's go. You're not going there. She didn't like. She don't want to sharing your food with you. This lady, everybody, she named Deepaw. Deepaw, 85 years old. 85 years old, okay? Deepaw is a Yai Bun friend. Love to stay together, but never sharing the food. Okay? Never sharing the food. Okay. Okay, here we go. Okay, you got that. Ooh, okay. No, no. She's seeing them. Look at the paw. She's smelling also. Smelling far away. You want a photo? That's it. You want a photo? Yeah. Them shown that because they have the fire of insect and that's why they come on. They want to move away. You eating slow. Grandma's coming for still. Grandma, just make sure you not eat the stuff. You're not chewing.
So some of the elephants, such as these ones, are still getting used to human interaction again after having faced abuse or injuries such as stepping in traps or even landmines. Some of the elephants you will see throughout the video have suffered such injuries, including broken legs.
With the people now. When one day she ready, that she go outside. The man is gonna be bringing them to meeting, like maybe group in a car. When she love to stay with the group, she must to be coming every day. We create the group for them like this. But when who aggressive, who want to stay alone, must to be like stay alone. Look like grandma over there. Okay, grandma over there. She named Mae Kam Sen. Everybody. They use the tongue like a straw. Suck the water in. Go to the mouth again. Oh, fresh. Really, let's go. They know when they want to drink, they just come in like this. กินเยอะๆค่ะกินเยอะๆดีโอเคเก่งมากน้ำเยอะๆนะมันช้าไปก่อนลิลี่ช้าไปเปล่าElephant drinking per day. But it depends on the baby. When the baby girl, she wants to stay with mom together. Okay, when Shiva, she wants to find her friend, it depends on her.
The baby elephants are known to be mischievous and will also take high ground such as this small hill to try and look above the other adults.
You look at the blind elephant, they always open the ear, always listening also. Elephant, everyone, them back to seeing like. Hello. Come on, mom.
So with this being an ethical retreat, in this part of the trip here you won't swim with the elephants, but you can observe them wash and play about in the waters.
She's staying here.
Hi.
This lady, Shaba. Shaba, 3 years, 8 months. Okay, 3 years, 8 months. And another baby there, she named Pi Mai, 4 years, 2 months. Okay. Lady here, everybody when she comes in, be careful.
Water. So that's exactly what they're doing. That one's strong. I see you there. And the girl is like stay in the middle, in that side, not the same family. Okay, she named Chong A. Everyone, Chong A, 11 years old. Chong A, she spend the food here behind the view here. Okay, but Chong A, everybody when she come in, be careful with phone. Chong A, everybody be careful when she baby elephant. Be careful when she around like 3 years old. Be careful. And that's why now she's 11 years old. Extremely happy. The lady there, see no one, see no one.
Here we have a mix of African and Asian elephants.
It's good quality, Kanjana. This one is look very sweet. Oh, one. You can come in here.
here, it's okay. If somebody want a photo, you can come here and photo with us.
And so at the end of day one, you'll get to see the elephants walk back across the river into the sanctuary for the night as the sun starts to go down. Heading into day two, the accommodation is all brand new after the recent floodings of last year here, and if you're up at the right time, you will see the elephants walk past your window into the river. Day two would involve feeding the elephants and visiting ones that were ready to head back into the wild or had healed from the retreat.
หมดละแบกมาได้แค่นี้แหละหมดละ I can't carry much. You can keep for later. You don't wanna. We have more than 10 elephants to see. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, we have more than 10. Nice.
It's coming for you. Oh, it's big. It's big.
You can give banana. Yeah, you can give. They know you have food. You don't need, you can hide their food. Banana. Yeah. Yeah. Right.
Some more.
Yeah. Sometimes we carry a lot, but today we don't have
He wants
much.
it all now. The sanctuary also looks after hundreds of dogs, thousands of cats, many water buffalo, cows and other animals as well.
1,000 kilograms.
One for chujai, one for Jim. Oh, you got big camera. Okay. Jim chujai. Oh, สวยจังเลยคนนี้ Wow.
Chat behind you.
Abgedrückt. Ja. สวยจังเลย
Nee.
Need more?
No, I ran out.
You can figure out this elephant or not to look at the head. Super whole is older, also smaller, older, smaller. So they grow up and they're smaller like humans. Yeah, they try to do it. Not that, they will say. Come on. Come on. Come on, Manila. They really short like baby. Come on, Manila. Also she got long finger. Other one is short. Yeah, come on, Manila. Come on, boom, boom, boom. Manila. Come on, Manila. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, hello, Manila. Manila. Yeah.
Oh, I can't have the water bottle. I got nothing.
Young one, they're really hot. Not soft like Kamla. Kamla skinny baby skin. In the south, people love to stay fighting, big money, big sport. Gambling. People beg with a lot of. Sometimes elephant coming to join the party.
The elephant eat it?
Yeah, they come to join.
The site also has a huge cat sanctuary, which I've taken some film of as well.
For elephant, they call cat and dog. We have one cat, dog and cat. Or somebody come in.
So this is back at the main sanctuary now, and elephants do throw dirt on their back to help protect themselves from the sun, insects, and to help regulate their body temperature.
She can see. Oh, that's right. Sometimes. Yeah, sadly, she can see. That's right.
Blind.
Right. He wants to see good for you to go over the height.
And so you'll basically end day 2 by helping make a huge cake for the elephants out of watermelon, banana and other fruits. Once the elephants have demolished this, you'll soon be taken back to the main city as the trip ends. Overall, if you're in northern Thailand, this is a must-do experience. The work that the team do here deserves all the recognition, and this is for sure one of, if not the best ethical elephant park in Thailand.
Don't show me. ไปโดนนี่นะมันเป็นแบบแบบนะ One, two, three, many. Only 4 dogs. I want to do more, but we follow the sound. She looks so poor, but she very strong. She never lie down. If she lie down, she can't get up anymore. It means she give up. She can lie down like other elephant. Other elephant they lie down. She also poor but strong. She can kick people or the dog with the leg. Sometimes she can kick. She can fly over the whole place. Sometimes she fly over. Một lát chém trái một lát. The boat clear there. Yeah, do you want to see food? Yeah.
And the dog is 20 years.
20 now we're 22, 23 years. Can open it with 2003.
Need a split one.